Does your alarm clock take away the few moments of peace you get in this thankless world? Do you wish you could tell your alarm clock just how much it degrades your already meaningless existence? Hi, I'm Drew, and with He's Always Listening Batman, now you can. He's Always Listening Batman uses state-of-the-art speech recognition technology to respond to your early morning aggression.
I hate you, Batman.
Just look at that response time! Using customizable key phrases, you can tell Batman to delay the inevitable or outright leave you alone. No. Probably mine from the ice sheets of the most reflective body in our solar system, Enceladus, which is Saturn's 6th largest moon. Our fair trade LEDs tell you whether or not Batman is listening. If his eyes are flickering, that means he's waiting for the alarm to go off. But if they are solid, that means he is listening for your next command. Don't just take it from me. Here are some testimonials from some excited customers.
Well, I mean, it's an alarm clock, and it's Batman, and I like Batman. And it's better than the other alarm clock. But the eyes are a bit distracting.
Hey, I'm Tom, and when I saw this bad boy online, I had to get it. Not only is it with the Batman, when I realized it had the Raspberry Pi with that, I had to buy me a whole setup to be able to get on this. I realized it was utilizing speech recognition, and then it cuts away once it hears that and goes listening to that there web to the pot, and then goes right ahead the other.
No one cares.
What?
Alright, so we found an additional customer that didn't want to give us any testimonials, but we found where they live. We're gonna go see how much they like it. Let's get going. Alright, so we're gonna go on in. Let's do this. Gotta stay quiet, he doesn't know we're in here right now. Shh.
Hello, sir. Now, sir, we saw that you recently purchased the He's Always Listening Batman alarm clock recently online. Would you kindly tell us about your experience with it thus far?
Yeah, sure. It's, I left a review online. Why are you even in my house right now? You could just look online.
I'm really sorry, sir. I didn't mean any offense at all by any of this. I'm just curious, it would really help us out if you could just answer our questions. It would help us a lot with our product. Please, sir.
Alright, sure. Yeah, so I found it online, Always Listening Batman. Yeah, it really lives up to its name. It's always listening.
You say it lives up to its name. What do you mean by that?
It's just always listening.
Sir, are you okay?
Help me.
Weren't those fantastic testimonials? You call right now. You just dial it right now or go online. You can get buy one, get one free. Not just the $400. I'll bring it down a notch. $300. You know what? Who doesn't love free stuff? I'm gonna give you free stuff. Free trip to Ice Cream Town. That's right. Right now. Just go online, get on our website, www.ibnrobotics.com. We could really use your support, but please just go ahead and call in. Call in right now.
Drew, what the hell did we just make?
$1
million.
Alright guys, just wanted to say thank you very much for watching our video. I'm Drew.
I'm Elijah.
And together we were a bunch of engineer graduates who were friends in college and afterward, and we both realized in our adult careers that, you don't really get to do the fun things that you foresaw yourself doing in college with your degrees. So, him and I took to the streets, took to our homes, to really actually have fun with our degrees.
You really are always pretty dramatic, aren't you, Drew?
Yes! Absolutely!
But seriously, thank you for watching. We hope to do some really fun things with this channel. We'd love your support, whether it's sharing this video or just watching it in general. We will end up having a Patreon as well as a GoFundMe set up pretty soon, or hopefully by the time
links will be up here and over there and down there.
Stick around, you'll definitely see more fun engineering projects that don't make sense, shouldn't exist, but we're gonna make them exist because we can.
Thank you for supporting, and remember, if it ain't broke, we
We didn't
fix
fix it.